And the race is on. Ravishing Ruffy from the outside is pivotal. My lucky one down on the inside is Prince Carlo getting personal. Batang Playa rushing up Senor Elijah. Ravishing Ruffy, my lucky one. Senor Elijah down on the inside Prince Carlo. Pivotal racing P Batang Playa down in 6 by the rally's reporter. Pictaboom getting personal. Maricor's Birds of Joy, while the favorite Deep Rising is running at the tail of the field by about 11 or 12 lengths of the leader. Senor Elijah, my lucky one, ravishing Ruffy, pivotal, Pictaboom is racing from the outside. Words of Joy is running in 6 by the Prince Carlos, 7th position. 8 belongs to Words of Joy, Maricor's Batang Apla, Deep Rising second last. As they race the final corner, my lucky one is now the leader. Senor Elijah, pivotal, ravishing Ruffy. Entering the last 150 meters more to run. My lucky one by Sam Tonight, pivotal reporter. Senor Elijah, ravishing Ruffy and Deep Rising. Entering the finish line, number 10, my lucky one. Pivotal reporter Deep Rising took fourth and Ravishing Ruffy for your fan